Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new cloudy day here. It's supposed to be raining today, but I hope the rain just hold on until I get to go on the road and get back. Today, I'm having a special date with my kids. So Tyler said to me yesterday, Mama, you haven't taken me to McDonald's. You haven't taken me to McDonald's since I'm on vacation. I'm like, okay. We have a few days before vacation end. So I said, I'm gonna try and see if I can shuffle up my schedule and fit him in for today. So I made it happen. I make it happen. So I am going to town just to take my babies to McDonald's and come back. And also on my way home, I have to stop at the post office because I missed a package yesterday, and I think this package is very special. If it's the package that I think it is, I'll be sharing that with you guys when I get back home later, so you don't want to miss that, because I'll be discovering what's in the package the same time you guys will be discovering, and I'll tell you guys who the package is from. So I'm going on a date with my kids. Maybe babe will meet us there, but he have an appointment close to lunch hour, so I'm not sure that the appointment will finish in time for him to meet us there. But if he does, then you guys will of course see him. So I woke up this morning, I got my workout in, just got a shower, get ready for the day, and now I am going to make some green juice. It's almost 10 o'clock. And I'm not gonna have any breakfast. I'm only gonna have some green juice because I want to eat with my babies. Even though I'm almost sure that I'm gonna have a salad, but let's see what I'll decide when I get there. Yeah, so that's what's up right now. Look who is also dressed and ready to go, but it's not time yet. I just like to prepare myself for not rushing. Say good morning to the face. Don't stand on that thing. Sit up here.
One.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I finished my puzzle in less than 1 day.
Yes, you finished your puzzle. Tyler loves puzzle, and he got a puzzle for Easter, and he's been bugging me since yesterday, so I gave it to him last night. He started just before he went to bed, and he finished it this morning, so he's happy about that. Pretty happy about that?
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
It looks, can one day you can buy me a Star Wars puzzle of 200 pieces like that one.
But 200 pieces is too easy for you. Look, you finish it in no time.
So in 400. 500. No, 4.
5. Deal.
Okay, so 500, but no so don't take a box where some pieces have circle on it. Not like the one you
have. You been listening to Mama when I talk to you?
Yes.
Have you been nice?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll think about getting you the puzzle, okay? I'll think about it. Alright? That doesn't mean you're gonna get it.
I know.
Okay.
But
the battery finished just now, so I have to change it.
It's a bit over my age.
You can do any puzzle at all that you get. You just need patience.
I do have patience.
Well, you need some more. Okay? Alright, get down.
I have patience when it's a lot of hours for the plane.
You have patience when it's a lot of hours for the plane.
Yes.
You're too funny. Come here, Sarah. Look. Say morning, Fibs. What are you doing? Mama needs to go get you ready to go on the road. You're going on the road with Mama? Huh? You wanna go to McDonald's with Mama? You wanna go to McDonald's with Mama? Okay. Okay? Yes? Say yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Give Mama a kiss. I love you.
I love you.
Alright, go play with Tai Tai.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. I'm gonna tidy up a bit, get Sarah ready, and by then I should be just in time to reach town for lunch. So enjoy. enjoy whatever it is that we're gonna show you today, and I'll see you guys in a bit. People in town right now. Kind of surprising, I guess, because the weather is so good, though it's windy. There's quite a few people out. I reached my lunch date with my babies. Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Look at the face. Say hello.
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 And I think Papa is gonna join us. Papa said he finished his appointment early, so he's coming. Sarah, it's soon come. Fries soon come, okay? It's soon come, you have to wait.
But you take
She wants fries. Happy face. Happy face. Happy you get your McDonald's? See your barbecue sauce there. You want ketchup? No? Sarah, you get your fries, you happy? Princess? She get her fries, she happy. And I got my salad. Look who showed up. Having lunch with us. So, how was your McDonald's?
Good.
It was good. Happy you went?
Why my hand have that?
I don't know, because you put it here and it's dirty. So we had lunch, finished lunch, and I took the kids to a little park. But I let them have a good time before we head back home. But look what you wanna do. That's what you wanna do?
Yeah.
Well, Sarah, on the other hand, not missing a chance to enjoy the park. Can you guys spot her? There she is, going up about her business. Look at her. She had to send down the doll first. And she gonna come down now. Yay! Good job! Bravo! He finally gave up the book and gone to play with his sister. Yeah, I know he wasn't gonna miss out on that fun. Look at him. Not missing out on the fun with his Sarah. Ty, where's her now? Sarah! Go to Tai Tai. Made it to the post office from town, and post office is closed. Don't open until 2 o'clock, and it's 10 minutes before 2, so I'm just on time and I'm first in line. So my babies are occupied and waiting. One is over there and one is here, and Mama is here. See, post office is closed. Waiting for it to open so I can get my package and head home. So yeah, that's what I'm here doing right now. You guys, I've been back home long time ago. Rest a bit, work a bit, and in the kitchen, and I'm excited to open the package, but I have to wait on babe because doing everything with babe is more exciting, right? You agree, don't you agree? But first, let's get some food and wait on babe to come home before we open the package. And know you guys want to know what I made for dinner, so here we go. For dinner, I did some roast chicken in the oven. Vegetable, you know your girl have to have a vegetable on the menu, right? Is green beans, mushroom and corn. And for Tyler and whoever else, I made creamy spinach and macaroni and cheese. So that's dinner for the crew. You guys, listen, I have to come on to apologize to you guys and tell you guys that I'm sorry that you will not be seeing the unboxing of the package I got from the not the supermarket, but I got from the post office, because that haul is just too good. It deserves its own video. Listen to me, I am blessed beyond measures. When I tell you that you guys are amazing, you guys are angels, you guys always show up when I need you, when you guys don't even know that I need you. Listen, this package that I pick up from the post office is so special, and they have so much goodies, and I have to hype it up because you guys have to come back on Monday to catch the unboxing with the entire family of this package that we're gonna share with you guys with such pleasure and such excitement. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Good job. I'm gonna end this vlog right here and tell you guys thanks for watching, and ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below where you guys are watching from. So come back Monday and you guys will definitely be seeing the unboxing of that package. Yes, the Stella. So thank you guys again for watching, and the day was good. We had a good day out of dating, with going to lunch with the fam bam. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave you guys here, so stick and stay, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you guys tomorrow. And Sarah is eating something from the package. Can you guess what she's eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What are you eating? Tell Faves what you're eating. What is this? What is this?
Cat.
What? Cat! What is this? Not on your shirt. This. What is this? What are you eating? Can you tell them what you're eating? She know what she's eating and she's not telling you guys. So you guys just gonna have to figure it out or come back on Monday. Love you guys.